Want to rank higher on Google and drive more traffic? Struggling with getting your content seen? We reveal the secrets behind crafting an SEO content strategy that not only improves rankings, but attracts organic visitors like a magnet. Let's dive in. An SEO content strategy is more than just sprinkling keywords on a blog post. It's a holistic plan to attract, engage, and convert users through optimized, impactful content. By addressing audience pain points and aligning with search intent, you can set your content up for success. SEO isn't about gaming the system. It's about serving the right content to the right audience at the right time. When done right, it promotes long-term ranking stability while keeping your audience hooked. Effective SEO starts with understanding your audience. Who are they? What problems do they face? Use tools like surveys, forums, or analytics to map out their pain points. Developing audience personas makes personalization easier. These profiles encapsulate your audience's preferences, challenges, and goals. When you craft content that solves their specific problems, you connect on a deeper level and boost engagement. Keyword research is your foundation. High-value keywords bridge the gap between your content and what users actively search for. Focus on long-tail keywords. They might have lower search volume, but often bring in better qualified traffic. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, or SEMrush to uncover trending and relevant keywords. Include variations to match different search intents, such as transactional, buy now, informational, how-to, and navigational, best SEO tool. Content is king, but quality content is the emperor. Prioritize SEO basics like clear headings, concise paragraphs, and multimedia embeds. But don't stop there. Maintain a user-focused approach by ensuring your content is actionable and engaging. Align your creation process with EEAT principles: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Share unique insights, back your claims with data, and format your posts for easy skimming. This boosts both user retention and Google rankings. Each piece of content you create should be optimized. Start by refining your keyword usage. Include keywords in headlines, meta descriptions, and naturally throughout the body. But beware of keyword stuffing, as it can hurt both rankings and readability. Images and videos should also be optimized with ALT text and compressed for speed. Quick loading content improves user experience, which Google rewards with higher rankings. Don't forget, faster users, happier results. SEO isn't just about words. A strong technical foundation ensures search engines can effectively crawl and index your site. XML sitemaps, mobile responsiveness, and fast load times are critical. Neglecting these can keep your great content hidden from users. If your URLs are messy or your page lags, you're hurting SEO. Ensure your URLs are clean, readable, and properly formatted. Use schema markup to provide context to search engines, aiding in better visibility, such as appearing in rich snippets. Don't let your old content gather dust. Run regular content audits to spot outdated, underperforming, or duplicate posts. Refresh these pieces with updated stats, new keywords, or better visuals. Google rewards freshness as much as users do. Revamping old content allows you to maintain consistency across your site. Remove fluff or consolidate related articles for a more significant impact. Not only does this boost rankings, but it also makes your site more cohesive and user-focused. Creating content isn't enough. You also need to promote it. Share posts on social media platforms, collaborate with influencers, and send email newsletters to your subscribers. Leverage every platform where your audience lives. The real SEO magic happens when good content meets great promotion. Share snippets or insights to spark curiosity. Engage directly with your audience by asking questions or encouraging shares. Every interaction boosts visibility. SEO doesn't end when you hit publish. Use performance metrics like organic traffic, bounce rates, and keyword rankings to assess success. Tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush provide invaluable insights into what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to pivot. If a strategy underperforms, dig into your analytics to identify gaps. Whether it's tweaking meta tags or trying new formats, continual improvements ensure long-term rankings and traffic growth. Consistency is the secret weapon of lasting SEO success. Set a content calendar to stay organized and publish regularly. Search engines love fresh content, and a steady stream keeps your audience coming back for more. Remember, SEO trends evolve quickly. Be prepared to adapt by staying updated with Google's algorithm changes and exploring new digital tools. The more agile your approach, the better positioned you'll be for future success. The time to level up your SEO strategy is now. Implement these steps, track results, and refine your approach for long-term growth. To learn more about creating content for SEO, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.